So you're looking for a new mattress. Maybe you're looking for something for an extra room. Maybe you're replacing what you've got already because it's worn out and you're here. So that means you're not quite sure about what sort of mattress you want to go with. And that's all right. Today we're going to be talking about memory foam mattresses, some of their benefits, and why they might be one of the best choices for you. Buying a mattress is seldom something people really look forward to doing. After all, how long has it been since you actually thought of it? A lot of people come in and it's been quite a while, 15, 20 years a lot of times before they've replaced a mattress. And I know I used to think I could sleep on just about anything, and for a while I did. But mattress technology really has advanced pretty rapidly in the past even couple of years. I'm Vincent Smith, I'm a bedding specialist here at Furniture Fair, and in today's video we're going to be discussing what goes into the construction of a memory foam mattress, the benefits of a memory foam mattress along with some drawbacks. We'll also go over what the price range is on memory foam mattresses and what you can do if you have any further questions or concerns. A memory foam mattress is a mattress that principally consists of different types of foams. And maybe not even necessarily memory foam. There are all kinds of different types. A good place to start is construction. Memory foam mattresses start at the bottom with something we like to call a core. Usually that's a denser memory foam, often latex based. And that's what I like to call the support system of a mattress. Above the core, there's something that a lot of times gets called a high core. Companies like Nectar, Tempur-Pedic tend to call it this. The high core serves as sort of a buffer between the support and comfort layers. In short, it's a slightly less dense memory foam, which makes sure you don't sink too far down into the mattress and does a little bit better job than the denser stuff of conforming to the shape of your body. Above that, most companies put a layer of either one or two different types of gel foam. It enables the mattress to conform to the shape of your body really, really well, distribute your weight efficiently through the whole mattress instead of concentrating it around the points in your body where there is the most weight. This is something especially helpful for side and back sleepers. Some manufacturers, though, underneath a layer of gel foam will put a layer of egg crate memory foam. And it's memory foam that really does look a lot like an egg crate. It has those sort of impressions in it. And the idea behind that is memory foam, denser stuff, often takes a little while to return to shape if you turn in the bed, move to a different sleeping position at night, consciously or unconsciously. Egg crate memory foam is a little bit more responsive. It already has those impressions in it, so when you turn over, it helps the mattress respond to you a little bit better without actually changing shape, which is something a denser memory foam can do kind of slowly. Above the gel memory foam layers or the egg crate memory foam layers is usually a cooling layer, at least one. Some mattresses, some Tempur-Pedics, like the Pro Adapt series, do have two. Usually it's one though, and this is where a lot of the advances in memory foam mattresses have occurred lately, and even in the past couple of years. The top cooling layer usually tends to be either a polymer or carbon fiber impregnated memory foam, and what that allows them to do is make memory foam a lot more porous than it used to be while still retaining its shape and giving you some support. It is true that not all memory foams are created equal. Some of the stuff from manufacturers like Tempur-Pedic and Beautyrest, people who manufacture their memory foams themselves, tend to offer a little bit better support and can last a little while longer. A lot of that comes down to a system called IFD, Impression Force Deflection. And basically what this is, it's a rating system developed by mattress manufacturers to rate the density of the memory foam that's used in a memory foam mattress's support system. A lot of times a mattress with decent support will have an IFD rating of around 12 to 14, and that basically signifies that its core is dense enough that it's going to provide you with some long-lasting support. Usually below that rating is used in softer mattresses, but if you find a mattress that's in the medium to firm range that has a lower IFD rating, you might want to be a little careful. A decent memory foam mattress in queen tends to start at around $7.99, around that range. You have to pay attention to things like the IFD rating we talked about earlier, but you can potentially find a mattress around that range that's perfectly good. Above that price range, you can have stuff like the iComfort series from Serta and Tempur-Pedic. They go up to about $1,200, when they're in that kind of medium range. Usually those have a good core, a good high core, a couple layers of gel foam, and a good cooling layer. Some of them only have one layer of gel foam, but they tend to have good materials around that price range. But starting at around the $1,500 range is where you start to kind of get into the premium range for memory foam. Companies in this price range tend to produce a lot of their own foams, and that way they can sort of contour the density of the foam to the exact type of support they want the mattress to have, with obvious benefits for you. Well, some of the benefits of a memory foam mattress include its prioritization of comfort. We talked about that in our comfort versus support video. Basically, a memory foam mattress tends to feel good to a lot of people because it conforms to the shape of their body. Memory foam does that really well. It's going to distribute your weight across the whole mattress instead of just concentrating it in points like your hips, your shoulders, if you're a side sleeper, certain parts of your back maybe if you're a back sleeper. That's what it was designed to do. That's why NASA wanted it for the space shuttle, because when you're at escape velocity, you need something that's going to hold up all the parts of an astronaut, not just some of them. And the main benefit of that is that if a mattress supports your weight efficiently, spreads it out nicely over the whole mattress, it's going to develop impressions a lot more slowly. With memory foam mattresses, it distributes your weight so efficiently that a lot of times that comfort system at the top don't have to worry so much about that durability-wise. Most memory foam mattresses are hypoallergenic. There are some memory foam mattresses that use plant-based foams, and there are some that have plant fibers in the top of the mattress. But almost all memory foam mattresses, be sure to check with a salesman or an online sales consultant, will be totally hypoallergenic because the foams that they use are usually petroleum latex based, so you don't have to worry about any animal or plant product in there that might irritate allergies. It's definitely an advantage of memory foam mattresses that they can pretty much all be used with an adjustable base. I haven't found one yet that you can't use on an adjustable base. And that is an advantage pretty specific to memory foam mattresses. Not all innerspring mattresses can be used with an adjustable base. A lot of them can. Most of the ones that Furniture Fair carries can. Most hybrids can. I have yet to find one that can't. But it's kind of a benefit unique to memory foam mattresses. They sort of have a structure that's especially conducive to use on an adjustable base, has less effects on wear and tear, durability, anything like that. Even though memory foam has come a long way with regards to the cooling foam we talked about earlier, it still isn't quite as breathable as an innerspring mattress. Of course, you imagine an innerspring mattress, it has a lot of space in the mattress for heat to be radiated away, both on the upper and lower sides of the comfort layers. Whereas in a memory foam mattress, you have that thick, dense core underneath, so while heat can radiate away from the top, the sides, not so much from the bottom. Some memory foam mattresses, when they arrive at your house, will have a bit of an odd scent to them. It's kind of a new car-ish scent. You may be familiar with it if you've purchased a memory foam topper for your mattress or something like that. You'll notice though that if you do come into one of our showrooms, the mattresses in here do not have it. That's something that tends to go away within a couple of weeks of opening and letting a new memory foam mattress be exposed to air for the first time. A lot of times boxed mattresses will experience that especially, but again, it's only for those first couple of weeks. It's a perfectly normal thing, but if you're especially sensitive to scents like that, you might want to consider it when thinking about a memory foam mattress. If you do have any more questions about memory foam mattresses, there are a few ways you can get into contact with us. Feel free to call into one of our 11 locations or use live chat to speak with one of our online sales consultants. You can also set up an appointment with one of our bedding specialists at one of our locations where we can fit you to a mattress that works right for you. Here we've got our bed match machine that we can use to fit a mattress specifically to you. It's like I was saying earlier, a mattress that fits you best is going to be the one that lasts the longest, give you the support that felt good in the showroom for the longest amount of time. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one.